Hello viewers, welcome to the Dime Investor channel. Me again, Iftikhar Chaudhary, bring you with a new stock idea. Which one I'm investing in is another interesting company. That's the reason I'm investing in. It is AVEPOINT. It is one of the company which is just came into the market, public market recently, and did very good improvement. Very interesting, huge insider buying. It is one of the stock like on SaaS basis company. So lots of people investing in this kind of company, and it's really interesting because it's really undervalued, had a huge potential upfront. I am buying in slowly. More good information is earning coming up very soon today at 10th of August. So there is a possibility this stock can go high very quickly. So if you like to see this kind of content, or if you think you interested for which one I'm investing in, stay tuned. Let's go dive in. Let's see what's going on with the AVEPOINT. Okay, at the moment, I'm going to go straight to the company information. So it is the company that provides Microsoft 365 data management solution worldwide. It offers not only a suite SaaS solution to migrate, manage, and protect data, it also provides cloud solutions for Microsoft Office 365, Salesforce, that's another big company, Dynamic 365 as well. So this is like a hybrid, so it's like you use lots of things together, not only in one niche market. It's like a very good player on the market. It's not a new company, though it's new in the market. It is there actually from 2001. They did a very good improvement. They was with Microsoft for a long time. So they just come out and they just came to the public market and offered, and let's go dive in what's going on. So if you check actually for some more information, I can show it to you here. AVEPOINT is a company actually was with Microsoft for a long time. They only before were dealing with the Microsoft, but now they're trying to do more things and they offer more service for the other people as well. So actually they are like 5-time winner. If you check here, you can see 5-time winner of a global Microsoft partner of the year award. AVEPOINT offer the only full suite of SaaS solution to migrate, manage, and protect data in Microsoft 365. More than 7 million cloud users they have. So they have a big user base. Include a quarter of Fortune 500 company rely on AVEPOINT solution. That's a big thing. So Fortune 500 is the company with one of the top company of the world, and they are the user of AVEPOINT. So the potential of doing very good and is really interesting. I can't tell you how much excited I am honestly about this one. Plus, not only that, they also serve lots of small business as well, and you can see the solutions and multi-tenant solutions that are available from over a dozen distributors in the more than 100 cloud marketplace worldwide. It founded in 2001 in New Jersey. And so we can see now the price, what's going on about the price. If you want to find some more this kind of information about the AVEPOINT, you can just Google it. You can see lots of information going to come up when you Google it, and you can just check the news and you can read about the AVEPOINT. You can find more information if you want. I just don't want to go all the information, so the video going to be really long. I go to the stock price at the moment. Yesterday, for the market close, the stock price gone up a little bit, not too much. It's like a 1%, because I think we're expecting a bit, because today is the 10th of August. After the market closed today, the earning report gonna come up, so we're thinking it's gonna be a good earning report. But this is a company actually, they focus on growth. So though they make good profit of money, actually they don't show they're profitable because they reinvest their income and profit to grow their business. So they invest on their growth. I like this kind of company because the growth bring more potential, more improvement of the company, more value for the company. So the price appreciate very much. So which is like $10 stock at the moment. If you check actually after it come up to the market, it's been go down a lot at the moment. So it was a $16 stock, not too far, just January this year. It started on the market like $10-ish when it did the IPO, and after the stock gone down. And if you check from 16 at the moment, we are down like 38%. So we are really at the bottom at the moment. So the possibility of going higher is potential is very good potential is there, and plus the marginal safety there 38% for me to go upside. I'm not buying any stock when it is completely like all-time high. I buy the stock when it is lower or there is a good safety margin, it's have a good potential to do better. So same thing I'm doing for AVEPOINT as well. So my price point again, I want to do it for long time hold, not a quick sale and get in and buy and cash out, not short-term trade. I want to buy the stock and I just try to nibble in. For a disclaimer, actually I'm not a financial advisor. I investing from my point of view, it's completely my opinion. I do hold some of the AVEPOINT stock at the moment. I just put not too much, a few £100 at the moment. And yeah, I'm interested about increasing my position. If I see more dips coming out, definitely I'm gonna buy more. So I'm just nibbling in. It will be like a 2 to 3 year holding as well, similar like the previous one, like Smile Direct. So my thing is I'm keep buying it. If I see more good potential, they're doing good in the long run, so maybe I'm gonna hold it for long, not only for 2-3 years, maybe longer. The opportunity is really good here because this is the kind of market now. Most of the people using the cloud-based system. Salesforce is one of the leading, and they do give solution for Salesforce and Microsoft as well. So they're holding one of the big market share. So definitely AVEPOINT going to do better as well in the future. That's my prediction, completely my opinion. You do your own due diligence and before you're investing on this stock. So let's go what's going on in the AVEPOINT. Let's see actually. Revenue forecast actually growing to 25.59%, which is really good. Revenue grew last year 26%, which was also good. Share are highly liquid because it's volatile. You saw the price was $10 when they came to the market, and after it go on $16 and it's go down again. So there's a lots of roller coaster going on this price. At the moment, they are not profitable because I explained to you, this kind of company put their money on growth. So even though they make money, they put this money, reinvest in on their growth, like research and development, and they want to grow more faster. They feel like definitely like they can do more. They can bring more value to you if they invest this money on the company rather than just paying the dividend and any kind of other things, you know. So if I go for the valuation at the moment, look at the valuation. So the valuation is showing like it's overvalued, 159%. So that's the thing here, because this is a new company. You know, possible calculate all the things you want to do because it's not too much long time on the market. So the price gone up. So the valuation is showing overvalued at the moment by this scale of Simply Wall Street. So you don't always believe on what you're saying here. But the very important thing is, I will say future growth. What we are predicting that future growth will be 14%, and you can see the earning forecast going to be good. It's look like very good in the future. That's what the analyst thinking about it. Past performance was 47.5%. That's what I am looking at. So I saw the last year and previous year they did very well. So my prediction is, even if they don't know 47%, it's near about 50%. If you do 25%, I'm happy with that. If they grow 25% each year, so after 3 years, the growth going to be very, very good. And the price I'm paying now is going to be really, really small for that much growth in future. So financial health is very important for any kind of stock. So I prefer always to look before I invest in any company, what's the financial point they're doing. So you can see actually they don't have any debt and they're debt free. So they don't have like need to pay lots of interest fee, but what the money they're making actually they're reinvesting on their growth. So let's go dive in. So the cash runway. So that's the very, very important thing. Actually, Warren Buffett also say, like, if you want to invest in any kind of company, check the cash flows, what they're making, how they're making it. So that's a very important point. Also the Peter Lynch as well. So I always look for the cash flow runway. So if you can see the cash runway of this AVEPOINT, they have enough cash runway more than 3 years if it maintains the current positive cash flow level. Plus, if you see AVEPOINT is unprofitable but has enough sufficient cash runway for more than 3 years due to free cash flow being positive. So their cash flow is positive, it's not negative. Not only that, they're growing by 102.5% per year. They're growing their cash flow. They are like killing it, honestly. So they don't pay any dividend, I mentioned, because they reinvest their most of the money what they're earning on their growth. Okay, so I go to the management. They're very, very well experienced, and they're maintaining this company really good. If you want to dive in more information about this, you can find it out, and you can check this one. Okay, I don't want to go on this too much information because the video is going to be too long. You can see lots of people, individuals, insider are buying in here. A big amount of stock being traded here. And if you see the ownership breakdown, what the investor are doing, like hedge funds. So you see actually every single person actually they're holding. They did not sell anything. So all the top holder, they're all holding it. They didn't sell any stocks. And if you check, not too much actually hedge fund holding this stock. Individual insider holding this stock is 38%, which is really huge. So the people who is managing this company, they're holding 38%, but they have skin in the game. They have huge money invested on this company. So if the company perform well, they will make money. That's what you have seen. This person, he invested a big amount of money as well. And institutions, they don't cover that much at the moment of the stock. So the stock, they only invested like 0.3%. They're holding 0.3% of the stock. So if you follow the Peter Lynch principles, so buy a stock, not that many investors like institutions following it. So because when they're following it, that will be the 10 bagger. So when they start buying this stock, gonna go definitely times 2, times 3, the price gonna go up because they start investing on this company. So if you can invest now, in future, you can make a big amount of money because the only institutions start buying it, and they do analyze the stock. They give a like price point. Okay, yeah, they're gonna predict more price. So definitely, then the price gonna catch it up. So it's gonna go higher. So at the moment, and also there will be not that much volatile. I think when the institutes start getting into the stock, so it will be more stable on the long run. So general public holding a lot of shares, like 45%. So it is a good stock, I think, to get in. So I'm going to cover some few more points to make you feel why I am buying it. Actually, I shared the information that actually AVEPOINT not only like a company just like came into the market, it is there from 2001, and they also get awarded 5-year the best partnership award from Microsoft, and they also have lots of other new deals, and they also launch few more new things as well in their platform. So they're going to generate more income, and they're going to generate more revenue on the long run. And very important thing is actually, if you know this AVEPOINT, they have actually earning coming up today. So my prediction is they're going to beat the earning. So possibility is really high. The stock price gonna go really high. At the moment, I don't want to, there's lots of information in here. I don't want to go through all the information what I can see here. If I go, maybe I don't want to throw lots of numbers, so maybe I just mess with your head. Then I don't want to go with this one. I just want to make it simple so you understand, and I try to explain the things more simply as possible. That's my point of view. So if you check the situation here, that's the AVEPOINT. So no sales going on here, nobody selling, everybody holding it, whatever you're seeing. So I just cover a few more points, then I will wrap up the video for today. So the price actually showing like it's overvalued though, but because it is a new company, that's the reason it's showing overvalued. And the debt ratio is nothing there, so it's debt free. So it's safety. I'm happy to see because there is no debt. Past performance we have seen is really good, which is 47.5%. Plus, though it is unprofitable, but return on asset is really, really good. But if you check actually by the scale of Simply Wall Street, the return of asset is like minus 35.8%. But when you see the cash flow generation, it is really, really huge, extreme. It's like more than 100%. So at the moment, due to the free cash flow being positive, growth was 102% up, and per year, huge insiding holdings making me more confident about the stocks. Less institutional means like I can make more money out of it. Market cap is not too big, 1.85 billion. So it is not a very small cap company. There will be not that much volatility, I think, in the future. So a good opportunity there. Outstanding share is only 180.27 million. And no analyst that much covering at the moment. So I feel like we're going to see huge upside on the stock. So I wrap up the video here today. I'm not going to go more in depth. So if you like the video and if you like to see more stock ideas, and please, I will request you stay with us, and we're going to find more stock ideas, more value and more information. And I think you're going to like the video. And if you still watching my video, I really appreciate. And please don't forget to like the video, give a thumbs up, and subscribe. Thank you for today. See you again with the next video. Bye. Thank you.